YouTube. I guess today I want to talk about something pretty special. We always, go out and do our adventures, and if you follow the channel, you know I go out and drive the Jeep around and find places to go hike around. And that comes with a little responsibility. Yeah, I can't say I've been really all that responsible. So I've been going all these places off grid, no way to communicate back to the world. And the wife and granny have been complaining that I could fall over dead and nobody'd find me. I guess I wasn't that worried about if I fall over dead. But they gotta find me. You know, honestly, this isn't a horrible little campsite. Looking out on this little field here. I have to mark it down in my list of places to go. Situation. Here's what the real worry is. I'll be on one of these trails way out here in the boondocks. I'll be checking something cool out. Just somehow get lost. Or, I don't know, maybe trip on this stick. Okay. That's cool. I was gonna fake an accident for this, but it was like, yeah, that's just not me. I don't fake anything. Where am I? Ah! Was that good? Yeah, probably not. Thought there was a bunch of ants. It's just check that out. Looked like a bunch of ants. Anyways, I could fall, I could get hurt. A lot of these places in the middle of Bankhead. And check out the hardest hike with the doodle video. I could easily twist my ankle on that one. Been hard to get back. All kinds of ways you can get hurt. Never seen this snake right here, but it just feels like it's snaky. Anyways. So I guess let me show you my solution for if I get lost or if I get hurt. All right, you there? So this right here, this is a Garmin 67i. It's a little over the top for probably what I need, but it'll work pretty good for see if I can do that with one hand. I can, haha. It'll do pretty good for keeping up with where I am. What it is it's a satellite communication device. It feels frivolous until you get stuck in a hole and can't get out. So you're probably asking yourself, why am I watching this video? After you ask yourself, ooh, oh, I thought I was gonna be able to catch it. It was a big dragonfly. It's pretty. Anyways, next thing you're probably asking yourself is, what is a satellite communication device? All right. So this thing tracks GPS, GLONASS, pretty much any satellite up there for position, but it also can communicate back. Can't quite use it as a phone. Actually, not even close to quite use it as a phone. But what you can do is you send text messages back in the world. So if you watch any of these YouTube videos where other, you know, other YouTubers have hit the SOS button and shown you how it works like that. But I went a little bit further than what they usually use. Most of those guys use a Garmin inReach. Well, this is Garmin inReach. They use a mini, and it's a lot smaller. Doesn't weigh as much, you know, and you get more cred with the other hikers. Of course, if you know me, you know I'm not really all that worried about getting, you know, cred with anybody. So I had one more thing I needed. I don't really have a lot of interest in being rescued, so I wanted one that had a good map on it, where if I got lost, it could help me find my way out. Now, some of the more hardcore hikers out there, you know, they're not saying this, but some of you that don't hike are going, well, why don't you just take your phone? And that's legitimate for most of the hikes I do. But two things. One, phone only has so much battery. I could, you know, brought a way to power it back up. But two, a phone can't always communicate. So if I'm hurt again, the satellite can just about always, you know, make a connection. Now it may take a little while. You know, satellite communication is not fast, but the idea is that I live through whatever happens. The other thing that's I guess kind of nice is you can go ahead and get insurance for if you do have to be rescued. And I guess if you do enough of these hikes, you might need it. Yeah, this trail is actually really pretty, but it's really short. Because it can communicate with satellites, it can send back waypoints to let people know how you're doing. I just sent out a web link, you know, probably to Carla. Say, hey, this is where I'm gonna go hike. I'm gonna go hiking, and she'll be able to open up that website and watch me hike. I don't have it going right at the moment, but whatever. Maybe we'll try go somewhere and do a live video. It's gonna be a pain because I won't be home to record the live video. But yeah.